Okay, back at it with part 15 in the mortgage note series. And this is the third one talking about risk factors. So the first risk factors were what if they stop paying? The second one was what if they don't pay their taxes? And this third one is now what if they don't pay their homeowners insurance? What if they let that lapse? So, again, just like with the property taxes, if you watch that video, what you can do, so say they just stop paying their homeowners insurance and it lapses. So you have the right to protect your asset. You can actually go in and have the loan servicing company reach out to an insurance company and say, we need a policy on this house ASAP. You don't have to figure out what it costs. You don't have to shop around to find the best rate. They will just go out, the servicing company will just go out and say, we need insurance ASAP. It goes in there no matter the cost. And then what you do is have the loan servicing company reach out to those borrowers and say, hey, guess what? You lapsed on your homeowner's insurance. We now put this policy in place for you. You now have to pay additional $200 a month to pay for that insurance. So you're not collecting that money, you're not cash flowing an extra $200 a month. There, that goes to the insurance company, but you can force them to protect your asset by forcing a policy in place for them so it stays insured. That way you're protected if there's a house fire, if there's a tornado, if there's something catastrophic, then your asset is protected because you have that homeowner's insurance. So again, it's one of those where you can, just like you can pay the taxes and force them to pay you back, you can force an insurance policy and force them to pay that policy so it always stays current. That's the way to protect your asset. So hopefully throughout these videos and some brief explanations of the risk factors, it helps you see that yes, as in any investment that you make, there are risks, but knowing what you're getting into and knowing what opportunities or steps you have to help mitigate those risks or steps you can take if one of those problems arise, those things still continue to help protect your asset. So hopefully with these explanations, it just seems a little bit less scary and a little bit less unsure. Again, you also are working with a loan servicing company that's monitoring these things for you. They are verifying the payments, they are verifying the taxes, they're verifying the homeowner's insurance. That's not something you have to babysit. You just have to be in communication with the loan servicing company and be ready to make some decisions if there are problems that come up. But it is not something that you have to be diligently staying on top of. That's what you're paying that servicing company for, to help protect your asset. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I love hearing from people. I love people that want to learn more. Would love to get a guide in front of you, or if you're just curious and want to keep learning, I'll keep dropping videos. So thanks so much and have a great day.